want to tell you a secret. A simple little secret that can make you money. This secret is estimated to make even beginners money to the tune of $400 every month at a minimum level, so stick around. Hello and welcome to the Digital Earning Palace YouTube channel, where I teach to make money online and related content. If you are new here, you are welcome. Now all the links mentioned right here in this video, I will have them linked in the description box below. This secret that I will reveal to you shortly can scale you to hundreds of thousands of dollars. This secret has been tried, it has been tested, and so there is no cause for alarm as to the fear of whether it is working or not. What I'm talking about today is nothing else but digital products. There are pretty several digital products out there, and this is interesting because I have for you something special. A list containing a good number of digital products. All you need to do to have access to this list that I have created especially for you is to go to the comment section and make a request saying, "Peter, give me the list of digital products." Yes, type in the comment section below, "Peter, give me the list of digital products," and I'll personally send it to you in a downloadable form. So very shortly, what is a digital product? A digital product is a product that can be sold online without necessarily having a physical contact, most of which are downloadable. The fun fact is that you can make a lot of money selling digital products because you don't need to produce the product more than once. You get to sell the same singular product to an uncountable number of people over and over again. What you need to do is to use a free landing page attached to an email list, and then you sell, and you make a lot of sales doing just that. I am assuring you that this year, even if you're a beginner, you can make a lot of money without doing anything else. The number one is online courses. You can make a lot of money selling online courses. Many gurus have online courses with many people that are subscribed to it, and they always make payment to have access to these online courses that they have created. Imagine you have an online course and you have, as an example, 200 people online course of yours, and they get to pay you $50 each. You do the maths. You will see that 200 multiplied by $50 is a whooping $1,000. Now that may not be much to some people, but then it's a lot of money also. This is a lot of money, like I've stated earlier, and the fun fact is that you don't even have to create your own online course all by yourself. There are places where you can sell online courses, and even if you have issues not knowing where to sell these digital products, the truth is that finding what to sell is easy. The hard part is finding where to sell what you have found to sell. Regarding what to sell, type in the comment section below, "Peter, give me the list of digital products," and I'll personally deliver it to you in a downloadable worksheet for free. There are 6 significant websites that I will reveal to you that will enable you sell digital products with ease. Also, I will give you a bonus website that you can use to sell instantly and start making money today somewhere at the later part of this video. So stay tuned and don't skip this video for any reason. Hence, you get to enjoy the 6 significant websites that will enable you sell digital products, as well as the bonus that awaits you. The number one website where you can sell digital products is called gumroad.com. Yes, gumroad.com. On this website, gumroad.com, you can go from ground zero to $1, and the dollars keep piling up. The fun fact is that just anyone at all can make their first dollar online. All you need to do is to start with what you already know, and you get paid very quickly. Gumroad.com allows you to place your digital products for sale. You can choose to sell your top 10 lists, or sell the tips you have on crypto, or sell even things as underrated as emojis can be sold here on gumroad.com. You can virtually sell anything right here on gumroad.com, and the pay here on gumroad.com is on a monthly basis. Guys, jump on these without wasting much time and start making money in this year. You can see here that there are a lot of people giving their testimonies on how much money they've made from gumroad.com. The number two website where you can sell digital products online is kajabi.com. The website kajabi.com gives you more ways to monetize your knowledge. The truth is that There is something that you know so well that some other people do not know, at least not to the extent to which you know such a thing. All you need to do is to take the idea you have in your head and turn it into a well-polished digital product. Now, the list is endless, as you can, amongst other things, create courses, create coaching programs, create membership sites, create podcasts, create newsletters, create communities, and a whole lot more. And upon doing this, you can use your product blueprint and then quickly grow from ground zero to launching high-ticket products. Now that this year is relatively new, make sure to make money online and do it the right way. Using kajabi.com, the stress attached to it. Jump on this right now and keep watching, because I will show you the things that you can sell on this website that I'm offering to you. The number 3 website to sell digital product is thinkific.com. Some people choose to call it thinkific.com. You can decide to call it any way you want, provided it is spelled correctly. Don't worry about all the links that I've mentioned in this video, for I'll have them linked in the description box below. Here on thinkific.com, you can also turn your expertise into revenue using online courses. Here, you can teach what you know, but the fun fact is that you might not even be the one to teach what you get to sell that will make you money. You remember the concept of affiliates, as we mentioned in our last video, where as an affiliate, you get to sell another person's job and you get paid commissions for doing so. Thinkific.com helps you to package another person's work as if you are the owner of the particular tutorial, and when someone else buys this product from you, you get paid tons of money doing just that. You must make money this year. Just go through all that I am telling you right here on this channel and in this particular video. You need to build your knowledge base. Peradventure you are doing it on your own. But if not, don't worry. The number 4 place where you can sell digital product is on Ecstasy. Ecstasy is huge. When it comes to print on demand, ecstasy.com is a place you run to and make a lot of sales here on ecstasy.com. This website enables you to make prints, sell and make a lot of money for several reasons. You can choose to give them out as gifts. You can also do gifts for their homes. You can do gifts for holidays. You can do gifts for clothing. You can do fantastic designs for kids. You can also have the option to put these prints that you have made on physical products, or you may choose to do it online alone. Many other people are doing the same thing, and you also can do the same. If you check statistics according to SimilarWeb, you will see that Ecstasy has a lot of people visiting it. Can you imagine about 450 million monthly visits on Ecstasy? And those who do visit this website spend on an average 6 minutes on ecstasy.com, and about 60% of these visits come from the United States of America. You can imagine how cool that is. The number 5 website where you can sell digital product is on teachable.com. This is also similar to the previous, where you get to sell courses online and get paid for doing just that. Quite a number of people no longer admire the regular educational system in this modern age and time. Most people rely on online certification. You can see it illustrated here in a picture teaching how to make a basket. This is a digital product. Let us say you are good at barbing your hair all by yourself. You can package a tutorial on how to cut your hair all by yourself and sell and make a lot of money. Now, there are more than 100,000 creators also doing this same thing, and statistics have shown that they have made cumulative US dollars just selling courses and coaching online alone. You as well can do this. I still don't know what you are waiting for. If you have a challenge of creating courses, I can teach you that. And if you don't want to go through that route, you can pick someone else's course and sell and make commissions just selling their own products. The number 6 website where you can sell digital product is on payhip.com. Payhip is one of the easiest ways to sell digital products and memberships. The cool thing is that they have a massive client base and a ready-made market. I want you to take this very seriously. And if you want more details on this particular website, just state in the comment section below and I will do a dedicated tutorial just for you, okay? So here comes the bonus, as earlier promised, system.io. I must tell you that this is the best website I know that can make you tons of money selling digital products. If you aim to create a course or you are into affiliate marketing, system.io will make it easy for you. I've created a complete tutorial about this, and if you find it hard to set it up, then chat me up using the comment section below on any of the websites that I have mentioned earlier right here in this video, so that I can help you out with it. So watch this next video as will be recommended to you by YouTube, and I'll see you in the very next video.